Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Side salads are fine, but this salad is a main meal bonanza with a killer dressing. So let's dive in. First, the usual suspects: spring lettuce, and for added crunch, some bagged chopped salad. Then grill up and chop some chicken and some bacon that you'll rough chop. Then slice up some avocado and cherry tomatoes. And for hard-boiled eggs, I love these kitchen tools. An egg timer that cooks the eggs perfectly every time, whether it's soft, medium, or hard-boiled. And this gadget that cuts the eggs in slices or wedges. Then, to make fresh corn taste fabulous in this salad, you can grill it first, then slice it off the cob. Finally, for extra crunch, you can add toasted sunflower seeds or toasted pumpkin seeds. In a large bowl, add 4 cups of spring lettuce and 2 cups of chopped salad, 2 cups of grilled chicken, 4 hard-boiled eggs, 1 large avocado, 4 to 6 slices of crispy bacon, 2 cups of corn, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, a cup and a half of cheese curds or any cheese you love, and a cup of toasted seeds. For the delicious cilantro lime dressing, squeeze the lime juice and chop up some fresh cilantro. Into a bowl, add the lime juice, white wine vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, cilantro, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Give it a whisk, pour it over the salad, and toss it up. A sprinkling of blue cheese makes it even more delectable. This main meal salad is healthy, hearty, and heavenly. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.